How many times have we ran out of our favorite shampoo and conditioner and we run to the store and we settle for the best of the worst? And then later on down the line, you open up your bathroom cabinet and it looks like this. Full of products that you don't use anymore. Products like this. That's super watery. Like this. That's going to be a thing of the past, because today I'm going to show you how to turn a conditioner like this into a deep conditioner that moisturizes your hair and looks something like this. But keep watching to see how. So you want to start out with 1 cup of the conditioner. A 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Half a cup of coconut oil. If you can't take coconut oil in your hair, you can substitute the coconut oil for avocado oil. And last but not least, 1 tablespoon of honey. Now you want to take your hand mixer and you want to blend this up with your hand mixer. Now that we're finished mixing this together, you want to put your mixture in a refrigerator or freezer for 15 minutes so that it can solidify. If you need extra protein in your hair, you can also crack an egg and put an egg in here for some added protein, and that'll work out just fine. But take in consideration, if you mix an egg in here, this is not going to keep but so long. So you'll have to refrigerate it, use it within 3 days, or dispose of it. Alright, so I've had this in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And as you can see, it's turned solid. So we're going to go ahead and whip this up. So as you can see, this is now a nice thick cream. You can see how thick that is. And now what you want to do is go ahead and add that to your jar. So I'm going to add it inside of my jar. And go ahead and put my top on. And that's our deep conditioner. And you want to keep this in a cool place in your house so it doesn't melt. If you live in a hot climate, you might want to just put it in the refrigerator and take it out 20 minutes before you apply it to your hair so it can soften up some. Not only can you use this as a deep conditioner, you can use this as your everyday conditioner. And this conditioner will last as long as the shelf life of the oils that you put inside of your conditioner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.